Now, to add a page border, you're going to go to the Design tab, and then go all the way over to the right and hit Page Borders. What this does is add an outline basically all the way around your page. There are a couple different options. You can do none, shadow, 3D, or even a custom. Make sure you have any of these 4 selected and not the none, otherwise your border will not show up. I'm just going to go with box. Then you have options. You can pick from any of these borders here. You can change the color here. You can even make the width of the border a lot bigger. And for those of you that want to be a little bit more exciting, they have a lot of art that you can choose from. So this could be apples, there's cake in here, somewhere in here there's cats, butterflies, a lot of different things. You guys can scroll through that and find those too. You want to apply it to the whole document, and then once you have what you want there, you can click OK, and it puts a border around your whole page.